Alright, we got a 2010 Ford Fusion. Customer complaint is it stalled while they were driving. It cranks but will not start. Couldn't really find much information on it online with the symptoms we have. Wasn't setting any codes while it's cranking. Fuel pressure's good. I have Spark showing RPM on the scanner, which tells me the crank sensor's working. I checked the injector pulse, which that was not correct. Wasn't getting power to the injector, or I was getting just some, not even a little less than half of the proper voltage. Checked the fuse that goes directly to the injectors, and the fuse power is good, so that told me there was a short in between the fuse and the injectors. So I followed the harness, and voila, I found this. Let's see if I can get the focus. Focus. Anyway, it's broken wires there. Focus. No, not gonna focus. Anyway, they're broken. There's actually two wires that are broken. Yep. Oh, look at there you go. That's a good view. Oh yeah. I'm guessing there's a couple strands still holding on. That explains the at least small amount of voltage I'm getting. So we'll repair those wires, and that should take care of that.